Hey friends, if you encounter faulty hardware corrupted page blue screen error in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. And how do we do that? Search for the word Memory Diagnostic in the Windows search bar and go to the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Click on Restart Now and check for problems. The next solution is to update drivers in Windows. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update page on the list on the left hand side. Let it load. Click on Advanced Options. Select Optional Updates and install all the optional updates. Return to the Windows Update page and install all the updates from here. If this does not help, then straight away perform system restore on the computer. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and go to recovery. Click on open system restore. Select choose a different restore point. Next. Choose a good restore point. Next. Finish and then click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.